Rebound by Fuad. Last touch by White. Same ball. Time out. Time out!
Rod by Altusat.
Wala na tayong sponsor. Puro sponsor na lang ng baliwag. Wala pa talaga mga sponsor.
Wala pa tayo sponsor. Pasensya lang po.
Altusat is enjoying a lead of 8 points. The coach called for timeout for the
Sunod
last
natin sponsor ay yung naman. Baha Blanca.
They don't want the lead to be wasted.
Ng Laguna o kaya Puto Conchita ng Balan.
With an 8 points lead, the coach number 9, Gomer, is having
Informations of coaches on both teams. Remaining time is 1 minute and 25 seconds.
1-2-5 according to timer. Back to the ball game for the last 1 minute and so seconds. With an 8-point lead by White, only a miracle can save Faisal to redeem the game. Number 25, inbounding. Oh! Last touch by White. Black ball. 12 pa rin pala naman yun eh. Hindi, wala lang. Wala. 12 yun. Pati to Tariq. Tariq again. Tariq to Pati. To number 5. Nice shot, but no good. Palop. Yes. Palop. Panay malaki no. Sinusungkit lang eh.
1 minute and 6 seconds.
Pero sa McDo, walang ginawa yan. Si Puwad ang gumawa.
Siyempre kagapin nila?
Oo.
58 seconds.
Black! My God! Tariq, all alone. Look for the 3. Fade and Fuad. Yes! What is that?
45 seconds.
Number 25. Technical. For 2 commission of offense. Before it was warning. For delaying the game, he committed again, so there will be a technical foul. Technical. Hugao for the 2 free throws. Awarding for technical. First free throw. No good. Jumpers, get ready, jumpers. Oh no, jumpers, because technical. No jumpers. Yes, second free throw is good. Time remaining. Timer. Time remaining, please. 41 seconds left. 41 seconds. Nice rescue. Fuad! Tommy, lace it up. Give it to number 2. What happened? What happened to you? Number 25.
32 seconds.
32 seconds now. Black ball.
19 seconds. 19 seconds.
Pabayaan nyo na. Tariq for 3. Yes, Tariq! 3 points.
10 seconds.
Thank you very much for the nice ball game. Second. Second, Awad. Last game.
Final score is 59, 50. Pakipirma lang po yung score sheet para sa mga coaches. For Mr. Tariq, please sign the score sheet. Nice game.